Hello dear fans. How to calculate the absolute error. Measurements can be made with varying degrees of accuracy. At the same time, even precision instruments are not absolutely accurate. The absolute and relative errors can be small, but in reality, they are almost always there. The difference between the approximate and exact values of a certain quantity is called the absolute error. In this case, the deviation can be both up and down. Necessary. Measurement data, calculator. Instructions. Step 1. Before calculating the absolute error, take several postulates as the initial data. Eliminate gross errors. Accept that the necessary corrections have already been calculated and included in the result. Such a correction can be, for example, a transfer of the initial measurement point. Step 2. Take as a starting point what is known and random errors have been accounted for. This implies that they are less systematic, that is, absolute and relative, characteristic of this particular device. Step 3. Even high-precision measurements are affected by random errors. Therefore, any result will be more or less close to the absolute, but there will always be discrepancies. Determine this interval. It can be expressed by the formula, ZMI is increment x, less than or equal to ZISM, less than or equal to, ZISM plus increment x. Step 4. Determine the value that is as close as possible to the true value. In real measurements, the arithmetic mean is taken, which can be found using the formula shown in the figure. Accept the result as a true value. In many cases, the reading from the reference instrument is taken as accurate. Step 5. Knowing the true value of the measurement, you can find the absolute error, which must be taken into account in all subsequent measurements. Find the value x1, the data of a particular measurement. Determine the difference delta x by subtracting the smaller from the larger number. When determining the error, only the modulus of this difference is taken into account. Thanks for watching.